welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a bar chart in Excel. Yes, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Yes, and you can like the video and also comment if you need clarification and stuff. So today we'll be using this small data of method and votes. So we want to compare which method provided the highest votes. From here, the data is also evident. You can see the video tutorials provided much votes, followed by practice tests, and the stuff. So today I'm going to learn how to create a bar chart in Excel. So the first step, as always, is to highlight the data that you want to use for creating. Highlight this one, then go to Insert, here Insert, then go to Recommended Charts and click Recommended Charts, and then we are looking for a bar chart. That one is a column, this one is a pie chart, and this one is the bar chart. So it's a clustered bar chart. So I want to use this one, and I'll just say we click on it and say okay down here, okay here. Yes, and by that you have your bar chart. So the next thing is to make it much presentable, much readable. Yes, so the first thing we do is click on the plus here, this plus sign. When you click on this plus, then tick access titles, and now you can come here and say this is methods, and this one down here is votes. You can also change this and say methods versus votes. You can say a bar chart of method versus votes, and that's all. That's how you create a bar chart in Excel. Another, I can show you another way of doing this. Another way is just highlighting the data. Instead of selecting insert the comment chart, you can come and look it for here. It's always here. So this one here, insert, and then you can say I want a bar chart. You can say to maybe put it a 2D like the one we have, a 3D like this one, and so on. Yes, and basically that's it for today. Yes, as you can see, this graph shows us that the video tutorials have the highest votes. Also, you can decide to make your video much presentable by changing this bars. You can decide the bottom one to be, you can use, let's use the yellow. Yes, let's use the yellow. The next one we can decide to use fill. You can use light green. The other one you can use, feel it to use green. The next one is a blue, you can maintain. The next one is you can use the light blue. Yeah, and that's how you make it much presentable. Also, something I didn't show you is you can come here on chart design and choose the design that is much presentable to you. So you can decide to use this one, you can decide to use anyone, but let me maintain this one. The next thing is to click on the chart, come here to home, make it times New Roman, then make it 12. You can also adjust the sizing it. You can size it to the any shape that any size you want. So I'm listening to that, and that, yeah, and that's all. That's our budget. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.